Okay, in this lecture, it's going to be a little bit theoretical knowledge. It's about quality management. But I promise our course is more focused on practice, so this is only a theoretical lecture in our course. Um, as you can see, it's uh, quality uh, quality engineer process sometimes will be called quality management. It is a process that can evaluate, access, assess, and improves the quality of software. Totally speak, quality management contains the three big teach, as you can see. Okay. Um, the first is the quality planning and quality assurance and post QA. In quality planning, we will set up the overall quality goal according to the customer expectation. We need to clearly service level agreement, mm, SRE for short, and we need to clearly the features, functions, and performance requirement. Right. In the quality assurance statement stage, we will our QA engineering will check the software quality based on previous planning or SRA. Of course, in general, we'll follow some checklist to do the verification and the performance measure to verify whether meets the early goal. At the at the post QA stage, or perhaps the activities and collect feedback come from customer, do some evaluate, assess, and output a decision that how to improve the quality or enhancement the features or functions. So as a developer engineer, let's take a question. What should we do in the quality management process? Your first reactions may be unit testing. Okay, that's right. Actually, the unit testing is the type of white box testing. That is one of the responsibility of the developer engineering. In fact, in some in some cases, it even precedes the source code development work. For example, you develop software based TDD model. TDD stands for the uh, test driver development. All right, why unit testing is so important? Let's see the report table shared by Google. Okay, as you can see, um, the table showing when some defect or bug be found. There is a unit testing perhaps the cost though is cheapest and also is fastest. Yeah, that is why we need the unit test before delivery software to integration environment, even to our customer production environment. Okay, after we understand the importance of the unit testing, we should align the steps of unit testing execution. In January, as you can see, the unit test um, contains four steps. in single unit testing method. The first step, we needed to do some preparation work, like the create connections, loading some system resource, and this step is called setup. Okay. The second step, we needed to do some interact with our dependency component. That is the software we will testing. This step is called exercise. Okay, step two. After about after the about steps, that is the exercise step. Actually, we get the result during interact. We need to verify the result is matched or not our expectation. This step is called verify. We will use some assertion statement to do that. Even some measure framework like HAMREST we will introduce in next lecture. After all the above statement, three steps completed, we need to do the release resource work. This is uh, this is called the tear down. For example, we need to close the connection, clean the clean or release the temporal files during the exercise step created. So this step is called tear down. As we know, so far we have many choice to use the unit testing framework, like the JUnit, TestNG, Spoke. But in our course, we will choose the JUnit framework. Why JUnit framework? In, in simple terms, it is the most popular in JVM language for unit testing work. Let me show you a report diagram that provided by OverOps. As you can see, the JUnit is far ahead in GitHub Java projects. All right, see you next lecture.